Hello good people and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to insert charts using shortcut keys. To insert the charts in the same worksheet, you can highlight the range of cells and press Alt F1. So Alt F1 would insert your default chart. Now, my default chart is a bar chart, and you can change the default chart by going to the chart design menu and then go to change chart type. Now over here, you can select any of these charts and then go to the top and then right click. You have the option of setting a default chart. This is the chart that would be inserted if you insert a chart on a new sheet. So now that I've changed it, if I do Alt F1, I get a column chart instead. There are times you want to switch the legend and the series around. So in this case, you can also go to chart design and switch row and column to give you the charts in terms of product. So here I can add my legend to see which products I'm reporting on. If you want to insert a chart on a fresh worksheet, not in the same worksheet, you can press F11. So F11 places the chart in a new worksheet. So these are some of the tricks you can use to quickly insert charts and manage them. Please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We send videos directly to you on Mondays and Fridays. Or visit our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity. All our old videos are here. Please click subscribe for notification of new videos. Or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.